Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a review and demo on a new product, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. Now I don't know how new this is, at least it is new to the US because I know Makeup Revolution is a brand from the UK, so they get everything first and then it comes over here to the US. So I actually picked mine up on the Makeup Revolution USA website, and as soon as I ordered it, 3 hours later, Ulta announced that they have them on their website. So I was like, damn it, I could have used my Ulta rewards, but I was like, you know what, whatever, let's hope, you know, we got the right colors. And I actually picked up mine in two different shades, the shade C4 and C5, because I honestly was not sure. I did see swatches online on their Instagram, a couple of other Instagrams, and then as well as their website is pretty good at describing the colors, but especially before I knew they had it at Ulta, and I didn't want to wait until they had it in actual Ulta stores where I can actually swatch. I was like, you know what, let me get two colors because I'm not sure. And so C4 is actually what I'm using today and in the demo part of this video. I like C4 for my skin tone specifically because this is definitely more on like the neutral cool tone side, and C5 definitely has a little bit more of yellow undertones to it. So C4 is really good, especially for me, and especially if I like to brighten with my concealer, whereas C5 could probably be something maybe I would use around the face, especially when I'm wearing, sometimes I have those foundations that might have more of those yellow tones, which sometimes I don't mind for my skin tone. I'd rather go a little bit warmer if I have to, you know, if I can't, you know, I'm just ordering off online. So C5 is something I would use, so I might still use this one later, but especially since I was ordering it from the Makeup Revolution US website, and then by the time I don't want to wait back and forth, so I was like, let's just play it safe. And C4 is what I'm wearing today, and especially I wanted to compare to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is $27. Makeup Revolution, $7. Save $20, buy a crap ton more of the Makeup Revolution ones to make one Tarte Shape Tape. Also, the Makeup Revolution Concealer originally came out in 18 shades. 18 shades, Tarte Shape Tape. Which, this comes out in 14 shades, and let's not talk about the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation debacle. But, not only did Makeup Revolution come out with 18 shades, apparently they came out with 7 more shades to complete 25 total shades, and they have a beautiful shade range from very, very light, in between, sprinkled all around, to the end, which is a very dark. So these are great if you want to conceal, as well as maybe if you want to contour as well. Now, Tarte Shape Tape is probably my favorite concealer because it is that full coverage. It's mattifying but not dehydrating. So I wanted to see if this would compare. Also, they do both have that doe foot applicator, that very large doe foot applicator. And honestly, I like the applicator on the Makeup Revolution concealer. I feel like it's just as comfortable. I think I heard someone kind of mention before that maybe it was like just not as comfortable or as soft as the Tarte Shape Tape. I do not have a problem with it. I really like it, and then when it goes on under the under eye, it's so creamy. Ugh, it's like that beautiful, like when you, I just love, I never understood girls who like are like concealer addicts who love concealers, but I am a convert. I am a concealer addict. My name is Xochitl, and I love concealer, especially because I do have dark circles, and the reason why I love the Tarte Shape Tape is because it's so thick, it's so full coverage, doesn't crease under my eyes, and it covers my dark circles. So with the Makeup Revolution, I was like, will it do the same? And honestly, I love it. I feel like this gives me that same full coverage that I get from the Tarte Shape Tape. It blends out really easily. I feel like if anything, it doesn't dry as fast as the Tarte Shape Tape, so you don't have to work it in as quickly, and it's not dehydrating under the eyes, or also it doesn't crease, which is a problem that I have with concealers as well. They crease underneath my eyes. As long as I kind of dab it in and then quickly set it with a powder, I am good to go. Love it. I love it. Oh my god. Because this concealer is so full coverage, it lasts me the whole day without like kind of peeking through or anything. If you really want to make sure you do conceal those dark circles really, really well, I would definitely suggest try going in with something as close to your skin tone as possible, and maybe just adding a tad bit of a lighter shade, which is maybe what I might do here. But I think I picked a C4 is definitely a shade that I really like. I know once I run out of this, I will definitely go ahead and pick it up at Ulta as well. And if you guys want to contour, definitely pick out a shade that's a couple shades darker than your skin tone. You can also go ahead and do that. I think Makeup Revolution did a great job with this concealer. I love the consistency, the formula, the full coverage, the fact that it's a nice matte concealer, but it doesn't make my under eyes look cakey or dry, which is something I definitely look for. So if you guys have been wanting to find a new concealer, drugstore price, it's not specifically in the drugstore, it's at Ulta, it's on that side of the Ulta, the affordable side of Ulta with all the other drugstore products, definitely check it out. So if you guys see this in Ulta stores, definitely pick it up. If you guys have already picked it up, let me know if you liked it or not. Is this going to be a great dupe? Do you feel like this is a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape concealer as well? Because I think this is definitely going to be in my February favorites. Gonna use it. If you're a full coverage queen like I am, definitely check this out. But also you can kind of do, you know, something similar to some people. Maybe you can use this for spot concealing around the face. Just kind of dab it around and then set with your powder for something quick and easy on the go. Another great way to use these more full coverage type of concealers, just for, like, you know, just adding around blemishes, you know, evening out the skin tone really quick, and then, you know, going about your day. So a couple different uses for it, but I definitely love it for underneath my eyes and to highlight all around my face for a nice glam look, or you can call my everyday look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with a bunch of reviews. I love doing reviews on this channel, and as well, always check the description box down below. I like to link other videos for some other reviews, makeup tutorials. Let me know what you guys like to see so I can make sure to film more of those type of videos for you guys. But if you're curious about some other Makeup Revolution products, I have done some other reviews and demos. I'll link that down below for you guys, and as well as some other drugstore products that you can find at Ulta, Walgreens, Walmart, or Target. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love it. Shape tape. They sell. I'm just too excited. What's it talking about? I forgot to put on eyelashes. Okay, we got our lashes on. Fuck. On the new